Imagine you have to store the names of 50 students in a Python program. Will you create 50 different variables? That would be difficult and time consuming, right? Python has a much smarter solution called a list. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Python programming series. In today's video, we are going to learn about one of the most important data structures in Python, the Python list. So, what is a Python list? A list is a collection of multiple values stored together in a single variable. Instead of creating many variables, we can store all related values together in one variable. Let us understand with the help of one example. Fruits is the name of the list. The values are enclosed within square brackets, which indicate a list. Each value inside the list is called an element or item. The elements are separated by commas. Notice that the elements are displayed in the same order in which they were stored. A Python list is ordered. This means Python remembers the position of every element. If you store apple, banana, orange, mango, they will remain in the same order unless you change them. A Python list is mutable. Mutable means the contents of a list can be changed even after it has been created. We can add new elements, remove existing elements, or modify them whenever required. We'll learn how to do this in the upcoming videos. A Python list can store heterogeneous values. Heterogeneous means different types of data can be stored together in the same list. Let's take one example of a list with heterogeneous values. Here, Ria is a string, 17 is an integer, 92.5 is a float, true is a boolean. So one list can contain different data types. A Python list also allows duplicate values. The same element can appear more than once in a list. Here, true appears twice and Python accepts it without any problem. So today we learned what a Python list is. List elements are stored inside square brackets. A list is ordered, mutable, heterogeneous data can be stored in it, and duplicate values are allowed. In the next video, we'll learn how to create Python lists, different ways to create them, and write our first list program. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!